Okay, so this is for Crystal Anderson. I saw your review about your Oreck not picking up, and I think it might be due to a clog in the pipe or in the suction inlet underneath the upright. All you have to basically do is unscrew the pipe on the back of the unit, or take the base plate off and unscrew the fan housing to pull the clog out, and that might fix your problem. Because it sounds like it's straining the motor because of that. So if you have a service center nearby that will service it, take it there and let them know. But I've had mine since 2019 and still works great. And I thought I would share that with you. So if that seems to be the problem, take it to your closest service center nearby and have them take a look at it.
like it.
Look at them lines. Some of my favorite things about this vacuum include that it does not function on a canister, but instead on disposable trash bags. So when it's full, you just unzip it, throw it away, and get a new one. Also, you can really feel the suction power and hear it picking up the dirt particles as you vacuum. And lastly, it has auto height adjusting, so you can do your carpets and your hardwood all in one. You can also find the bags on my Amazon storefront page.
Alright, we'll try this in lower quality, but I have the commercial Oreck here, and I put a bag dock in it, which is just a generic $14 part. Literally, the bag dock just slides right on, works with the generic cheapo HEPA bags, and yep, just fits like a glove, no leakage, no nothing. And all you have to do is remove the generic metal clip and replace it with a bag dock, and it works great. Hilarious.